Hi dear friends, how are you? I hope all are fine. Last time we learned about what is computer system. Did you remember it? Yes, computer system is a combination of computer hardware and software. And we also discussed that what is computer hardware. What is computer hardware? Yes, computer hardwares are the physical part of the computer that can be touched. Today we are going to discuss about what is computer software. So, dear students, let's get start our chapter. Dear students, today we going to continue our chapter computer hardware and software. Last day we studied that a computer system is a combination of hardware and software, and we discussed what is hardware. Did you remember what is hardware? Yes, the physical parts of the computer that can be touched is called computer hardware. Today we are going to discuss what is computer software. Computer hardware cannot do anything on its own unless it is supported by computer software. A computer software is a set of programs executed on computer to process the data given by the user. Then what is programs? We already studied in earlier classes. Did you remember it? Yes. Program is a set of instructions given to the computer to perform different tasks. Next we are going to discuss the classification of softwares. The software can be divided into main three categories, and they are system software, application software and development software. Now we going to discuss what is system software. A system software includes program that control and coordinate the internal working of a computer. And the system software can be divided into following category, and they are first one operating system, and next utility software and device drivers. Now we are going to discuss the first category of system software, that is operating system. An operating system acts as an interface between the user and the computer, and it controls the internal working of the computer. Some of the main functions of operating systems are: it is a communication link between the user and the computer. It takes commands from the user and makes the computer hardware to work on those commands. The second main function of operating system is it manages all the hardware devices of the computer, including main memory, storage devices, input-output devices, etc. The next feature of operating system is it loads the other software programs in computers memory. And another feature of operating system is it provides a platform to other software. Next, we are going to discuss the types of operating system. The operating system can be categorized into on the basis of type of interface, and they are CUI and GUI. CUI stands for Character User Interface and GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. In CUI interface, the user has to give the commands in the form of text. MS-DOS and Unix are the two popular operating systems that uses CUI. In these, users have to type the commands through the keyboard to interact with the computer. Whereas in GUI, the user can interact with the computer by clicking on the icons and commands instead of typing them. MS Windows and Mac OS are the examples of GUI. Now we are going to discuss the Windows operating system. The Microsoft Windows is the most popular operating system used by people. It uses GUI or graphical user interface to work on the computer. The commands are displayed in the form of an icon where user has to click on the icons to work with the command. And the various versions of Windows are Windows 2000, Windows XP, etc. Now we are going to discuss about another category of system software, that is utility software. The utility softwares are small programs that perform a very specific functions related to managing the system resources. An operating system has some built-in utilities to manage disk drives, printers, and other devices. The two most common utilities that are part of Windows operating system are disk defragmenter and disk cleanup. The disk defragmenter helps to put the fragmentation pieces together. That is, when Windows saves a file on the hard disk, it does not save the whole file together at one location. Instead, it may store part of a file at one location, another part at another location, and maybe the third part of the file at the third location. Thus, it scatters the file or fragments the file in different areas of the hard disk. This is called disk fragmentation. The fragmentation reduces the storage capacity of hard disk and affects the performance of the system. The process of putting fragmented pieces together is called defragmentation. It speeds up the computer's performance and makes the file storage system more efficient. The next utility software is the disk cleanup. The disk cleanup utility helps us to remove the unnecessary files and free up the hard disk space for other useful file or programs. The unnecessary files includes temporary files, cookies, duplicate files, etc. And it may get stored on your hard disk. Today we are going to winding up our class. And you have one homework, that is write a short note about what is an operating system. Okay dear students, today we learned about what is computer software. A software is a set of programs executed on computer and it is used to process the data given by the user. And the computer software is divided into three. What are they? Yes, they are system software, application software and development software. And what is system software? Yes, system software is a set of programs that control and coordinates the internal working of a computer. And they are also classified into three. What are they? Yes, they are operating system, utility software and device drivers. And we discussed that what is operating system. What is operating system? Operating system is a interface between user and computer. It controls the internal working of a computer system, and the operating system have more functions. And we discussed two types of operating system. What are they? Yes, they are character user interface and graphical user interface. Today we also discuss about what is utility software. Utility softwares are small programs used to perform specific function related to managing system resources. And we discuss two types of utility software. They are disk defragmenter utility and disk cleanup utility. Okay dear students, please study well and do your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.